Hey guys, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, where if we can't get your credit approved for a new auto loan, we give you $100 in cash. Today, just in, we got a 2014 Chevrolet Silverado Texas Edition LTZ. It's got lots of little extras and a 5.3 liter V8. It's sitting on 20-inch Michelin tires with excellent tread. There you can see Texas Edition. Lots of chrome. Good tread on all the tires, chrome rims. It's got the little steps in the bumper for easy access to the bed. It's got a little backup camera right there above the logo. Spare tire and tow package. Bed liner's got some scratches as to be expected, but no major dents. It's a full crew cab. It is not the little small extended cab. Inside, we got child safety lock, window lock, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, including power folding mirrors, memory seats, premium voice audio. The seats are power seats on the driver and passenger. Black leather, a little bit of wear, but no rips or tears. This center piece here can be an additional seat to make 6 passengers or just regular storage. There is some charging ports in there as well. Let's go ahead and start her up. Starts right up. As you can see, we've got navigation through OnStar, Bluetooth. Your backup camera also appears here. Down here we got dual climate control. Got a rear cargo light. You can control your traction control. Heated seats on both the driver and passenger. Some additional options up there. No warning lights. 152,000 miles. Of course, you got your Bluetooth in the seat here, as well as cruise control. Over here, you got your automatic lights and your fog lights. As you can hear, it's running really quiet. Let's go ahead and pop that hood. As I said, it's the full 4 doors, not the little small ones. So in the back, all kinds of storage on the door. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different compartments on the doors for storage. Also got seat back storage. In the back, you can use this as a middle seat or as a cup holder. Also, these seats fold up if you want to have more room, but there's plenty of leg room. If you do have 6 passengers in here, lots of leg room between the seats and the up front seats. The rear window does have defrost in it and a rear sliding window. Carpet's clean, leather's in great shape. Again, these will fold up if you want more room. Lots of storage on these doors. Again, power seat on the passenger. Multiple glove box compartments. It does have a clean Carfax. It also has remote start. Under the hood, the 5.3 liter V8. So you can see it's fairly clean under there, as well as quiet. Love to get you approved on this ride. All you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out the application, and we'll get you approved on it. Remember, trust the duck.